Welcome back. Chief Electoral Officer has stated that people carrying more than rupees 2,50,000 rupees would be made to disclose the source of the money. Election Office has decided to get details from banks on financial transactions. Meanwhile, on late Monday evening, Returning Officer for Tiswadi removed banners of Friends of Good Governance as they do not have required permissions.
Chief Electoral Officer has clarified that they would be in talks with banks to monitor cash and other transactions. If any person is caught by flying squad with money about 2.5 lakh rupees, then he would be told to disclose the source of funds.
Earlier it was 1.5 and now they enhanced it to 2.5 lakhs. And
but they have to keep the evidence documents.
They
also
should keep some
documents,
evidences for that. Yeah, 2.5 lakhs.
But election officials are upset as their recent campaign to enroll young voters has not yielded desired results. Only 4,408 youth came forward for enrollment in various colleges. Meanwhile, Returning Officer in Kepe has asked for more time for detailed investigation on alleged money distribution done by a MLA in Kepe. Excise Department has seized over 20 lakh rupees worth of liquor across Goa during past 10 days. Earlier in the day, Chief Electoral Officer held a workshop for media persons on paid news and ethical voting. Commission has no provision to penalize or punish a media house if it is found guilty of indulgence in paid news. Election Commission has stopped one TV channel from undertaking a survey. However, Election Office is not clear on guidelines on undertaking any poll survey. It will seek clarifications from Election Commission of India on this matter.
If there are no guidelines, then on what basis you will decide what to go and what not to do if our guidelines are not available?
Yes, that is true. But still, what we have already confessed that these are at the infant stage. It requires further deliberation, and we also look towards the Election Commission to frame some think tank, whatever it is, to some guideline which would be guiding force for us. But at this stage, certainly we don't have this kind of set up and to judge that.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Bandu Desai has once again come out open on the charges levelled against him by Vishwajit Rane. He has alleged him of distributing fake appointment letters of the health department to the people in Valpoi. Bandu Desai says that his candidature from Valpoi is scaring Vishwajit Rane. He reiterated that supporters of Vishwajit are distributing the letters.
Bandu Desai has also alleged that Vishwajit Rane has assured to provide jobs to one of the residents of Valpoi. He made it clear that he will contest the assembly poll from Valpoi constituency come what may.
हांव धंदो गेलो थंय ते आड येवप थंय लोकांक भडकून घालप 11 तारखेक जानेवारी 2012 4 वाजता मामलेदार स्क्वॉड माझ्या घरा कडेन येयलो आनी माझ्या घरान धाड घातली पूण हांवें अफसर खान ह्याक तेजें दुकान आसा कंप्युटर आसा झेरॉक्स मशीन आसा एग्रीमेंट एग्रीकल्चराचे झेरॉक्स मारपाक हांवें तेजे कडेन गेल्लो 120 कॉपी मारली हांवें आनी ताका 100 रुपये दिले आनी हांव कसलें ऑफर लेटर किंवा हांवें कसले टायप मारून वाटूंक ना हें तेणीच वाटलेलें आसा हे वाळपयच्या पर्याच्या सगळ्या जनतेक खबर आसा तो कारण काय तरी म्हाज्या विरुद्ध काय तरी घालपाचें आनी लोकांची मनां बदल करपाचें आसा अशें तेजे विचार आसा जो अफसर खान तो कंप्युटर पुलिसांनी व्हेल्लो आहा आज त्या दुकानदाराचो मग तेका धंदो बंद जाला तेजो.
Early on 11 January, flying squad of the Election Commission had raided Bandu Desai's house, but they didn't recover anything from Bandu's house. His house was raided following a complaint by Vishwajit Rane.
पैसे वाटता तो हांवें मागला सांगला फोनार फोन करून चौकशी करची काल गाडयो जिपी गेल्ल्यो उजगांवसून तुज्या चेडवाक 40 दिसांनी सर्विसेक लायता पूण हा वेळ पर्यंत आज पासून बंडू देसाय तुज्या दारार उबो करून घेवंक जायना.
Our reporter from Panaji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
Fatorda Block Youth Congress is not happy with the possibilities of Youth Congress President Pratima Kutino contesting the assembly election from Fatorda constituency. They submitted a memorandum to CM and Pratima Kutino. They claim that there is no chance that Pratima Kutino has a chance of winning in Fatorda. However, Pratima says that such kind of tactics will not affect her decision.
Members of Fatorda Block Youth Congress submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Digambar Kamath expressing their displeasure over Pratima contesting assembly election from Fatorda constituency. They have sent the memorandum to Pratima also. When questioned, President of the Fatorda Block Youth Congress refused to comment.
आमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक गोय प्रदेश काँग्रेस प्रतिमा एडवोकेट प्रतिमा करून तेका आमी आमचे व्ह्यूज मांडपाक आयिल्ले ते आमी व्ह्यूज आमी तेका बरोवन दिल्ले आसा आमचे व्ह्यूज मांडपाक आयिल्ले तुमकां खबर आसतलें आमी आमचे लिमिटा भायर उरपाक शकना सो आमकां आनी कांय कमेंट करपाचें ना आमचे व्ह्यूज आमी तेका मांडले.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath revealed that Fatorda Block Youth Congress has forwarded their support to Vijay Sardesai in Fatorda.
They say they have come to express to me saying that they are supporting Mr. Vijay Sardesai.
The memorandum has asked Pratima to declare her refusal to contest from Fatorda. The memorandum also hints that Vijay Sardesai should get the ticket in the constituency. We spoke with Pratima Coutinho. In a telephonic conversation, she informed us that such pressure tactics will not affect her decision. She is ready to contest in Fatorda if High Command wants her to contest.
याच्या फाटल्यान कोण आसा ते म्हाका सगळे खबर आसा. I am very much aware who is behind all this. If my leadership wants me to contest, yes, I am going forward. If my leadership says that they want me to work for the party, I am ready here. आणि हांवें काम केल्लें आसा आनी 40 भुरगे येवन सीन करपाचे ते म्हाका लागना कित्याक म्हाका दिसता फातोडा पळोवपाक गेल्यार 7 ते 8 हजार यूथ आसा आनी म्हजे लिडरशिपाचें म्हणणें आसा दॅट यूथ इज रिक्वायर्ड इन टुडेज गोवन पॉलिटिक्स. सो आय एम देर विथ माय लीडरशिप से to represent the youth and Mahilas.
Our reporters Samir Bhatt and Laukik Shilkar.
Savode truck owners resorted to an indefinite halt as they claim that Seza Goa has failed to fulfill their demand of increasing trip charges. They stopped trucks from Panchwadi for not cooperating with them. In return, Panchwadi truck owners decided to stop other trucks entering Panchwadi. Meanwhile, at Murgaon Bicholi, villagers stopped the work going on at the Seza Goa plant, demanding immediate compensation for their agricultural loss.
The tussle between two groups of truck owners created tense situation at Savade on Monday. Savade truck owners stopped the trucks plying for Seza Goa from Panchwadi and sent them back. Truck owners from Savade complained that Panchwadi truck owners are not cooperating with the bandh called by them. Savade truck owners had asked for increase in transportation fee. Seza Goa had assured them to fulfill the demand 1 month back. But now Savade truck owners claim that the company has refused to abide by their assurance. As a retort, they have decided to stop plying Seza ore. Later, Panchwadi truck owners stopped other trucks passing through their vicinity. This created a tense situation.
एक ट्रिपीचे आमी मागतना 5000 मागिल्ले जे कॅल्क्युलेशन प्रमाण कशेंच बसना तेन्ना आमकां 3500 पूण आमी ताजे कडल्यान दिवचे आनी ताणें आमकां 3500 रुपया दिता म्हणून सांगिल्लें ताका लागून गेल्ली 5 आमकां गेल्ली 7-8 दीस काम बंद उरलें ताणें आमकां तें काम पयशे आमकां पूण दिता म्हणून सांगिल्लें.
आज सकाळी तांचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट हांगा आयिल्लो हे 30 ट्रक सुमार आयिल्ले ते परते गेले म्हणजे तांकां आमी सांगलें तुमी जर हांगा कितें तर भानगड जाल्यार म्हणजे कितें ऑफेन्स किंवा मारामारी जाली जाल्यार तुमी जबाबदार उरतले आमी तांकां सांगलें.
But Panchwadi truck owners claim that they were not told about the bandh by Savade truck owners.
आमगेले ट्रक रस्त्यार कितें आडायल्या म्हणटा तेणी आमकां कोणें सांगना म्हणून हांगसर बाकीचे ट्रक येता ते आडोवपाचें आमी डिसिजन घेवन परत धाडले तांकां.
शेजारचेच न्ही उरल्या खंयचे ट्रान्सपोर्ट आसता
हय खंयचोय ट्रान्सपोर्ट जो ट्रक हांगा पंचवाड्या येता तो आमी परत धाडटा.
Around 300 villagers from Murgaon village romped the Seza Goa plant in the vicinity and stopped work on Monday. They are flabbergasted as company has not paid them their compensation assured 6 months back. A portion of the mine had collapsed in July 2011, damaging property of the villagers. It had caused a heavy agricultural loss and company had assured to pay all the losses.
The newly elected panel of NSUI has stated that they would continue with the issues addressed by their earlier panel. The panel that was backed by Valanka Alemau, however, did not comment on the issue of medium of instruction and dynasty politics. The panel defeated the other panel led by former President Sunil Kautankar.
Hasiba Amin has been elected as the new president of the Goa unit of the National Students Union of India. She said for the first time many new colleges have enrolled with the union, and unlike earlier, this time a fully functional panel has been elected.
The drugs issues that have come in, things like that. About voting, we want to make sure that all the youth involve themselves, they cast their vote. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, they cast their vote. They take advantage of their rights because a lot of youth are not involving themselves in the right things because of this. wrong people are winning, things like that are happening because many people are not voting. I'm also very grateful to, of course, Congress because I come from a minority community, and being a woman, it usually is very difficult to rise to this level, but they have given me the opportunity.
The panel stated that they will continue with issues taken up during Kavtankar's tenure. They said if need arises, they will support Congress for the elections, but they didn't comment on dynasty politics and the medium of instruction issue.
If required, we will help the Congress party because we will. It's simple. We start off when we are students. Okay, we work towards what we are doing. Our careers, our future is built as being students. So at the right time, if we guide the students where to cast their vote and what to do. The question that you just asked us about the tickets cannot be asked to us definitely because we are not giving it to them.
Students' body.
It's coming from the High Command.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.